We're frequently asked about Mommy Makeover and what that actually entails, and it's a series of procedures, and it's not necessarily just for patients that have had previous children, but this is a series of procedures that includes typically a tummy tuck or an abdominoplasty, where some excess skin underneath the belly button is removed. And in addition, we're tightening the muscles, the abdominal muscles called the rectus muscles, that certainly with pregnancy, these can splay, and the connection between the two is intended to be able to stretch to accommodate pregnancy. But after pregnancy, we want to tighten that back up again and remove any extra skin or fat around the belly button, below the belly button, and have this hiding down near the underwear line. Concurrent with that, we tend to do a breast lift and or breast implant to help with the descent of the breasts from being postpartum or with aging as well. So Mommy Makeover in general refers to a tummy tuck with tightening of the muscles, typically some liposuction along the flanks, as well as a breast lift and or implant, or both in combination, that can really restore a more youthful breast and tummy contour. So thanks for listening. If you have any other questions, please check us out on our website, www.dereksteinbacher.com. Thanks again.